Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying out Paula Deen's amazing chicken casserole. So I've already cooked a couple of chicken breasts and got those shredded and chopped up and set aside. I've already got my penne pasta cooked and drained and set aside. And now I'm working on basically the sauce that goes over it, the cheese sauce. Okay, so what I'm doing is, the recipe calls for 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 small onion chopped up, 2 cloves of garlic, and you need to put all that in there together. Let me see. I didn't want to have to use my big skillet, but I didn't have the right size skillet, so. Alright. It didn't say cook till soft or anything. Probably because you're going to put the onion, you know, in the dish. The onion in the dish will go into the oven. And it can finish cooking there. So we got to get this hot. I'm working on that. Alright. So now I'm going to add the butter, the flour. And it's supposed to be 2 tablespoons of flour. Let me get my whisk for this. Okay. Alright, the next thing you need to add, it says cook it for no longer than a minute. So just long enough to combine it and warm it up. Okay. Alright, now I need to add the milk and sour cream. It calls for 1 cup of milk. And half a cup of sour cream. Let's see here. Dig this down into this container so I don't have to spoon it out. Okay. You are going to need a 9x13 baking dish for this, and I did make extra noodles because I'm not sure how many this is going to serve. Alright, so get your whisk and whisk it together. And it says to cook until thick, which is almost there already. I've never put sour cream in as a thickener for a roux, so this will be interesting. Okay. 3 cups of grated cheddar cheese goes in this. You can use Colby Jack, Swiss, or a combination. So what I did was I got the Italian style cheeses, which has got like provolone and all that in it, and I also got some Colby Jack. So I'm only going to do about I'm going to go ahead and put all this in there because it's this is 2 cups worth of cheese here. And I know I know everybody that watches me will tell you that I don't usually use the pre-shredded, but holidays are coming up and this would be a real good quick dish to make, and you need the convenience. Alright, now I'm going to reserve the last cup of cheese for the top. It says half a cup, but I'm going to just reserve that last little part. The last few things that you need to put in are going to be, and we'll turn this off, is the chicken. So there's the chicken. Let's stir that. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm a little bit worried that my noodles is just too many. So let's see. We'll see how that does. I went ahead and turned my heat off because I don't want to take a chance in my cheese burning. The correct recipe will be listed below. I did add a little bit more noodles and pasta because I got 3 hungry boys to feed besides my husband. So I needed to add just a little bit more. My husband doesn't like tons and tons and tons of cheese. He'd rather have more pasta. So I usually try to add just a little bit extra. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is get our 9x13 pan ready. Oh, I forgot one more thing, a couple more things. Let me over here. Need to add some red pepper flakes. Just a little bit of that. Let's see how much. She said half a teaspoon. Okay. Stir that. Okay, so you're supposed to put this in a 350-degree oven until it's hot and bubbly, but let's not forget that we needed to see if I can get this package open. Put about a cup of cheese on top, and I purposely bought the 2-cup packs of this so that I wouldn't have to measure. There we go. Okay. And I would suggest you cover it with foil. It'd probably be best. Okay, y'all. This is the finished product. Looks really good. A little bit crunchy on the edges. Probably would have added just a little bit more liquid and sour. I'm sorry, milk and sour cream. My liquids. Probably would have added a little bit more on that, but it looks pretty good. Y'all be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.